Hello, can I talk to Ben, please?
Talk to him?
Ben, I think it says here on the webpage.
I am not Ben.
Are you associated with Ben's Hens?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to place an order for some eggs. I run a restaurant. Is this the wrong number?
I guess, yeah.
So you don't know Ben's Hens?
Who is this?
My name is Robert, and I run the restaurant in Squirrel Hill. Are you associated with Ben's Hens?
Yeah, that's my brother.
Can I place an order through you?
Who is this?
My name is Robert, and I run the Klingensmith restaurant in Squirrel Hill. Have you ever heard of us?
No, I haven't.
It's a really good organic restaurant, and we understand you might be selling organic free-range chickens and eggs.
Yeah.
And we just like to place an order.
Can you call me back later tonight? Because, I'm on a ski float right now.
Okay. Can you call me back at this number? Can you have Ben? Do you know Ben? Ben's your brother? Did you say?
Yeah.
Does he have a phone number? Can you give me his phone number?
He does not have an, phone.
Oh, how old are you?
I'm 12.
You're 12. How old is your brother?
It's Uncle Mark.
Your brother's Uncle Mark.
Hi, Uncle Mark.
Hello. Who's this?
I thought it was you, but I didn't want to be,
Rude.
what?
You didn't want to be rude.